Hello, I appreciate your interest in my classic snake game tutorial. Your time is valuable, so let me give you a quick overview how this tutorial is structured so you can better gauge which portions are relevant to you. Part 1 starts with a brief Linux command line tutorial, including a demonstration how to make a basic Hello World Python program using a simple text editor, how to set up the permissions, and how to run programs in the Linux command line environment. By the end of part 1 video, you will know how to import Python libraries, create and use variables, create and call your own functions, use basic logical statements, handle runtime errors, and know how to shut down a Python program safely. The final outcome of part 1 video will be a basic game area screen ready to program the snake feature. If you are already familiar with the above concepts, you can go straight to part 2, where I go in detail how to control the screen and how to accept keyboard input from the user. Programming concepts such as loops are introduced, and I spend time explaining how Python stores data in memory using complex data types such as tuples, lists, and dictionaries. Finally, I introduce the concept of threading, which allows writing more robust programs. By the end of part 2 video, you will be able to control movement of a small snake using the keyboard, and your game will detect snake collisions with the screen border. Part 3 continues where part 2 leaves off. By the end of that video, the game will be complete in monochrome. The snake will grow based on food encountered, and the game will detect snake body collisions. Most of part 3 video is dedicated to completing and refining the game, where I build on concepts I introduced earlier, but I also add new concepts such as file access in Python. Part 4 adds color support to the part 3 code. I suggest viewing this part after watching at least part 3, even if you have programmed in Python using the curses library before. All code shown is available for download with a separate version of the program for each part of the tutorial, and I explain all code in great detail throughout the videos. While it would be helpful to have prior experience with Python and Linux, this entire tutorial is aimed at beginner Python programmers. All you need is a bit of patience and access to a Linux terminal. Thanks for watching.